we were at Boreal a few hours ago and we saw the rescue that was beginning to go underway. You can see the snow that is blowing right now. These are the conditions that everyone has been dealing with up here. In fact, there was an avalanche warning in that area when that happened earlier today. Rescue efforts were underway with at least 46 emergency responders. Around 4 p.m., the Nevada County Sheriff's Office said 6 of the 16 skiers survived the avalanche. A group of highly skilled rescue ski teams left from here at Boreal to make their way to the survivors, who were directed to shelter in place. Caltrans helped clear the roadways for the rescuers. The snow was heavy and continued throughout the day and into nightfall. At times over the summit, Caltrans says there were blizzard-like conditions. Blackbird mountain guides say they also responded to help after the avalanche happened at about 11:30 this morning near the Frog Lake Huts in the Castle Peak area. The guide company says 12 clients and 4 guides were staying at the Frog Lake Huts since Sunday, and the group was in the process of returning to the trailhead at the end of the 3-day trip when the avalanche occurred. An avalanche warning was in effect, which began at 5 a.m. today and goes through 5 a.m. Wednesday. And definitely that avalanche warning remains in effect. It is called dangerous, and that is definitely what these searchers are dealing with. Live in King Vale, covering local news that matters, Rowena Shaddix, Fox 40 News.